So if all goes well, by January next year, 2019, less than 6 months from now, you will see the first Volkswagen car out of Ghana. That is the story. The Ghanaian government, one indigenous company, and Angela Merkel government yesterday signed a tripartite agreement for the production of Volkswagen next door to Nigeria. The memorandum of understanding, according to Ghanaian President Nana Akufo-Addo, who announced that the joint press briefing, says the idea was to make sure that 5,000 units of Volkswagen cars are produced every year from Ghana starting January 2019. Let's cross over to the Nigerian Stock Exchange, live from the trading floor. Channel's television business correspondent and producer Temple Asaju is live to us to talk about today's trading day, the final trading day of the weekend for the month. Thank you, Temple. One of the earnings that we have on the street is PZ Cousins for full year. The numbers look good, but the bottom line, as far as dividend is concerned, didn't look so good because there was a profit warning. Do you have any of these numbers to tell us more about it?
Yeah. Thank you, Bosun. So, like you said, they had issued a profit warning earlier. Recall that sometimes ago, the parent body, which is in the United Kingdom now, also raised concerns about the markets in a couple of other areas in Africa where Nigeria also falls in place. And so when we saw the numbers a while ago, the revenue is looking good though at 80.5 billion naira compared to the 70-something billion naira that was for the base year. But in terms of the profit before tax and the PAT, the PBT is 2.3 billion naira compared to 4.8 billion naira for 2017. In terms of the profit after tax, is 1.9 billion naira against 3.7 billion naira. But this shows that there is a declaration of dividend of 15 kobo, and this is really low. I'm not too sure this is going to be attractive to investors and traders on the floor here because this time last year they paid out 50 kobo per share. Right now, 15 kobo is what has been declared. So let's look at what we've got for the trading moment. We still have reaction of the investing community to the MTN fines and the fines to Stanbic IBTC Bank and the Diamond Bank that are all tradable here on the floor. You've got Stanbic IBTC as the most traded or most active company right now traded on the floor of the exchange, down by 0.53%. The stock has done 18 million units of shares, accounting for 23% of the entire trading that has taken place in the market today. Look at Diamond Bank, down by 7.14% as of a few minutes ago when we checked. So the movers right now, which are in the green zone, include ICO Insurance, which is up 9.33%, and international breweries. We've seen so much interest in international breweries by 6.25%, and that in turn is moving up the consumer goods sector as we speak. You've got the industrial goods sector also looking good at 0.35%. Total volume of what's been done so far is around 200 million, worth over 3 billion naira. But in the absence of anything significant positive in Dangote Cement, the market is really likely to end downward at about 0.5 to 0.6%, where we are right now. Bosun.
Okay, Temple, thank you very much for bringing us up to speed. The final trading day on August. I do have a very nice weekend, and we'll see you at the other side on Monday.